What is escheat in probate, and when does property revert? Imagine a situation where someone passes away, and no one steps forward to claim their assets. What happens to those assets? Well, that's where escheat comes into play. Escheat in probate is a legal process that kicks in when a person dies without a will and no heirs can be found. It's a way for the state to take ownership of the property. This process helps prevent property from being left ownerless or in legal limbo. When the estate is unclaimed after a thorough search, the property automatically reverts to the state. The state then manages or sells the property according to the law. The process begins when the person dies without a valid will or identifiable heirs. A diligent search is conducted to find any surviving spouse, children, or other relatives who might have a claim. This search can take months or even years, depending on the situation. During this time, the estate remains open in probate court. If no heirs come forward within a set period, which varies by state but is often between 1 and 5 years, the court will hold a hearing. The court then confirms that no rightful heirs exist or can be located. Once that's established, the property is declared escheated and transferred to the state. The types of property that can be subject to escheat include real estate, bank accounts, retirement funds, trust accounts, uncashed checks, rent deposits, and utility deposits. If the owner left these assets unclaimed after death and no heirs claim them, they become part of the state's unclaimed property. From an estate planning perspective, having a proper will or trust is essential. It helps ensure your assets go to the people you want and prevents your property from becoming escheated. If you do not plan ahead, your assets could end up in the hands of the state after a lengthy process. In summary, escheat in probate happens when a person dies without a will and no heirs are found. After a period of searching and legal steps, the property reverts to the state. This process keeps property ownership clear and encourages proper estate planning to avoid losing assets to the government.